Good morning, and welcome to Portugal. Let's get lost together. We finally made it to Lisbon, and I already love this place. Okay, now I understand why everyone talks about these. Crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, absolutely worth the stop. This might be my favorite way to see Lisbon. Every corner feels like stepping back in time. You don't just see the city, you actually feel it. Welcome to Porto. This city is absolutely stunning. Standing here on the Dom Luís Bridge, you get one of the most beautiful views in all of Portugal. Porto has such a peaceful charm. Every rooftop, every church tower, it feels like the whole city is telling its own story. Sintra feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Every corner is full of color, history, and beautiful little details you could spend hours discovering. I'm Maya, thanks for traveling with me. See you in the next one.